In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DramaBox app not opening or crashing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for the updates for the app DramaBox. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app DramaBox. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, you'll need to click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. Now from the list of apps, find DramaBox. Once you find it, launch it. Then click on the option Upload app. Click on Upload app again. Then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, check your device storage. If you don't have enough storage in your device, this might also be the issue. So make sure you have enough storage in your device. You can delete or offload the unused apps. Next up, head back. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem might be fixed. If these solutions didn't work out for you, restart your device. For that, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Wait for a few minutes and then again turn on your phone. Likewise, completely delete DramaBox app from your device and then again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for DramaBox app not opening or crashing on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.